Welcome to this LightingSupply.com product detail video. Today, we will look at the slide-in fluorescent medium bipin base shunted T8 slide mount from Standard. This T8 shunted socket has a bipin G13 base and is also UL listed and is intended for fluorescent T8, T10, and T12 medium bipin G13 lamp tubes. These can be used as a socket replacement for old sockets or help you finish a new lighting project. This socket has a slide-in mount with a 7/8 inch mounting height and has a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts and a max wattage of 660 watts. You can order these sockets from Standard and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at LightingSupply.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.